There are two parts to this equation. For the customer demand side, organizations need to really understand customers' willingness to pay for what they're demanding. Customers demand a lot of things. That doesn't mean they equally value or are willing to pay for what they're asking for. For them, there's nothing to lose, just keep on asking. So we need to be very good at understanding, are they willing to pay for the certain things that they're asking for? If they do, if they perceive that value, they would put a price tag on it. Now, on the other side, when it comes to the cost, we need to be aware of the cost to serve what customers are willing to pay for. If we can balance that really, really well, we should be able to make money for all different segments that we engage with. Whether it's going to be a low cost, low value offering to customers, there's money in that. All the way going through to the top of the pyramid with high value, high cost engagements.